I think the way that I would explain it is that everything in life is a bell-shaped curve, right? So you have cheap meat over here, you have expensive meat over here, and you have the environmental toll that's not factored into the price over here, and the humanitarian toll that's not factored in, and you have time. So, I mean, the true cost of food is way higher than what we, especially in America, are used to paying for our high quality or for food in general. So what I would say is our prices are usually a little bit more than the conventional industry. If you're buying cheap meat, I would be very wary about where it came from and how it was raised, because most likely it was in a CAFO at some point, which is a confined feeding operation where you can usually smell a CAFO from far away. And if you drive up and down the California I-5, you can smell one place from 5 or 6 or 7 miles away a lot of times. And that's not, I would not want to eat anything that came out of a farm like that. And if there's not a big sign in front of the farm that says, this is Stemple Creek Ranch or this is whatever ranch, I would ask yourself the question, why not? What are you not proud of? Why would you not invite all of your consumers to come and have a tour and to see what's on the farm and to see how they raise the animals and see how comfortable the animals are? So there's a true cost with raising food. We give all of our employees benefits and 401k matching like a real company in the United States does. Not like a lot of agricultural companies don't do that. So we're just trying our best, and our margins are not very high, honestly. Our margins are not very high, but it's more expensive. It's a lot more expensive for us to raise food this way, but we really believe the quality is